Here I'm at Elliot's Pet Emporium. Just having fun. Check this out. Mices. Hey, look at that. They got the cats right next to little mice. That's just classic. I don't know what happened to the other video. I don't know what happened to the other video I was in, but I was doing. But anyways, what's up, everybody? How are you going? Just here at Elliot's Pet Emporium. Check out these breeds. This is not where you want to park your car. See what this is. Oh, look at them fish. It's some big old fish. Let's go fishing, everybody. I don't know what that is, Lily.
There's a fruit that's water.
Yeah, there's some water. Come on, let's go. Oh, look, it's a fish called Wanda. Oh, look at the tiny little fish. It's so little. You see some rocks, Lily? Looking at all the aminos, all the fishies. Let's turn down here to see what's going on. Haven't found Nemo yet, so still looking. I don't know if you heard me, but I haven't found Nemo. We're in here, over here in the fish section, finding Nemo. Haven't found him yet, but we're still looking. Oh, look. I think I lost the family. Oh no, I'm just walking around trying to find my family with the kids, showing them all the aminos. Oh, there you guys are.
Look at the pink ones. Aren't they beautiful?
Still haven't found Nemo yet, so oh my God, here's some nice fish right here. Look at them. Some tie-dye fish. They were born brilliant.
His eyes are green.
Those are
The green one's
genetic.
eyes are really green. Yeah, I know. And the pink ones.
Oh, here, let me put that in my pocket. Let me put it in my pocket so you won't lose it. Oh, Grandma, okay. Look what you're doing, Lily. I think that's all of the aminos. This is all the stuff you could get if you got pets. Let me look over here. Oh, look, it's a tree. Let's go look at the hamsters. What's up, brother-in-law? Just over here watching the animals over here at Elliot's Pet Emporium. Trying to find some animals. Oh, here we go. This is the funniest part right here. I was here earlier. What's the last time? Oh, there we go. Look at him. Watch him run. Watch him run. Oh, look at he's got look at him. He's gone. He's trying to get to his destination. I'm almost there. Ah, what a nice workout. Let me get something to eat now. What's up, partner? Let's go see these braids. $549.99. Woo! That's a lot of money. What's up? Let's see if he'll talk. What's up? What's going on? Can you talk? Yeah? No? Okay.
Not yet.
Gotta give him, what's that? Let's see where the kids are. What's going on, everybody? Up, look at silly wabbits. There we go. Silly wabbit tricks are for kids. They getting that eat on. Are you supposed to be up under there, or you just want to be up under? That's your little house. All right, there you go. $39.99 for a dwarf bunny. All right. Give him some tricks. Up. Look at the little kitty cats. $49.99 for a cat. Look at them eyes. Flare it up. Look at it. He's having fun. Look at him. Play with the ball. Yeah, I'm talking to you, bro. Play with the ball. Now watch you gonna play with the ball. Oh, y'all scared him. Now you don't want to play with the ball no more. Look at him. Play with the ball. Play with. Ah, yeah.
Don't
yeah.
the ball.
Yeah.
Don't
Get it.
Get it.
Yeah.
Don't get it.
Ah, you can get it.
Don't get it. Don't get it.
Ah.
Don't get it.
There we go. Look at him. Ah. He likes that. He likes it. Hey, Mikey. All right, let's go look at the fishies. Oh, look how small those fishes are. Whoa, bro. These are albino neon tetra. $1.99. I don't see nothing albino about them.
Look at the tetras over there. They're blue on the top. These are white.
Okay. Oh, look at it. It's a tetra. It's neon.
Hi, baby.
Look at it. It's a barnacle. No, it's funny.
He loves that toy.
No, we ain't getting no pet. We just came in here just to bypass time. Oh man, my wife almost got bit by a silly wabbit.
No, they got scared.
So they go your sister. No, we're just here watching it, letting the kids look at aminos.
Over here, over here. Get it.
Look at he's drinking, getting his drink on. Is that good, bro? It's delicioso, huh? Go. Oh, you scared me, Lily.
No, I'm
Arya.
I'm Arya. No, actually,
Yeah, he's drinking. He's drinking. Look, see the bubbles going up?
Actually, he's drinking water.
Yep. Come on, Lily. Where's Lily at? Oh, it's time to vamanos.
Lily, come on, baby.
Come on, Lily. All right then, bro. We'll be over there in a few. Yeah, we'll be over there in a minute or 2 or 3. So let mom and dad know we coming. Yeah, let Jump know we coming, and Jump know we're coming. Oops, my bad. All right, I'm signing off. About to get in the car though and zoom away. Yeah. All right then, bro. I'm out. Put on your seatbelts. Yeah. Well, I mean, I couldn't hear him, but you know.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
Let's go do it like that. Okay, let's just
This is love. Not that we love God, but that He loved us and sent His Son as an atoning sacrifice for our sins. 1 John 4:10.